back. I hope you enjoyed my previous video that talked about essential gear for kayak camping, whether it be an overnight or a multi-day trip. This next video is going to explain how to pack your kayak at the launch site. Remember, if you're new at this, try to be there early, maybe a couple hours before launch time. This stuff takes a lot longer than you think, so please don't keep the others waiting. Enjoy the video. Chapter 2. Got a windy day for a launch today. Beautiful setting, coastal Maine. And boats are down to the beach, and now we've got to figure out how all these bags that we talked about are going to fit into the kayak. So my hatches are ready, and the first bag is the front bag, or the front hatch. And let's see how that goes. Easy peasy, fold up the bag. Gonna put it on top because that's the first thing to come out. And these IKEA bags are the gear of choice you can see around the site here. Now we've got plenty of room for extra things like Amados, Italian sandwiches, chips, fragile stuff on top. Next we'll grab the day hatch.
Can't forget.
Oh, Italian sandwiches. We just talked about that. I'll start with that stuff, the tent poles and things like that. And again, way in the back, as far as it will go, to the skeg box, tent poles, poop tube, way in back. Lots of room back there. And the rest, my easy chair, camp chair, that can go almost back there, pretty far. Okay, the rest of the stuff, nothing, no rhyme or reason, throw it in. And that's it. Did that take 5 minutes or less? Okay, now we fold up the bag, put that in last, and Bob's your uncle. I can outfit some of my boat now that I have room, although I'll leave some stuff. that should do it. And because it's kind of chilly, the water temperature is chilly, it's only May. One of the rare times I'm going to wear a dry suit, but it's going to feel nice. So that'll be the last thing I do, put on the dry suit and then the gear over here. And then we'll use the 4-carry straps and load each boat into the water, and we're off. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for other videos that talk about different topics about sea kayak camping. The next video will be picking out a tent site and setting up your tent, reviewing your gear for the night. Stay tuned. That will be part 3.